Hello, I am Viplab Kumar Prasad, INLP trainer, INLP master practitioner, and a coach. Mental space psychology is making waves in the field of training and psychology. So, what is mental space psychology? Mental space psychology is the new paradigm of psychology that investigates space around us and inside our body as the primary organizing principle of the mind. What we think of is largely in space. This is largely unconscious, and this is the substratum of knowledge upon which perception is built. This in turn impacts the way we are in the world and way we sense others. Dr. Lucas Dirks is the pioneer of mental space psychology. I came to know about mental space psychology from Dr. Bhavna Nimisha, and I have learned from her. And then I have read Dr. Lucas Dirks' Social Panorama book, and people might think how social panorama originated. So, social panorama originated from psychology and NLP. Dr. Lucas Dirks has researched on both psychology and NLP, and he has created mental space psychology. So, mental space psychology plays a tremendous role um, in simplifying our life. When we whether we think about relationship, whether we think about performance in our work or any area of our life, mental space psychology plays its role. So, if we go deeper into mental space psychology, we will find that every proposal we put across someone or we put forward, uh, we think that the rejection or acceptance depends on the other person. But after knowing mental space psychology, we will know that in most of the situation, the outcome is determined in our own mind. The way we hold our image and others' image in our mind, and the space also plays a role. What is the distance? What is the height of the images? All these minute things play a very important role. So, we create all the outcomes in our own mind, and mental space psychology signifies and gives a detailed analysis and give a detailed analysis of this, how it goes about. So, before doing anything, the outcome is created by our own mind, and when we are aware the way we are holding our image, our self image, and then others images in our minds, we can improve the quality of our life. And there is immense potentiality as far as mental space psychology is concerned. Uh, it can be utilized in different areas of our life. It can be used to build good relationship, that is, and the social panorama talks about it, the family panorama. Then there is spiritual panorama, and uh, uh, it acts at different level. So I firmly believe that mental space psychology uh, is can add a great value in our lives, and people who would like to improve their life, they can connect with me. I will be eager to throw more light on this through my trainings and coachings.